Hello students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our next exercise of this chapter. This is your last exercise 1G. Okay. In this exercise we have to form the Roman numbers. Okay. By using these symbols. Okay. In our Hindu Arabic numeral, we are using 10 symbols. These symbols are our digits 0 to 9. Okay, and in the Roman numeral we will use only 7 symbols and we will form all the numbers. Okay, first we will do some rules about this and after that we will do our exercise. So here Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral. So in the Roman numeral, I means 1. Okay. V means 5. X means 10. Okay. Means if we have to write 10, then we will write only X. And L means this is our 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. Okay. So there are 7 symbols and each symbol having a different value. So this is our first rule or step, we can say, means values are mentioned for that number, that symbols. We have to learn these values. After that repetition of a Roman number means addition. Means if we will repeat any Roman number, then that means we are adding the values of that number. Suppose we are using here I. So repetition, we repeat the I. So that means addition. What is the value of the I? 1. Then 1 it will be 1 it will be 2. Okay. Now similarly you can repeat X here. Okay. This is 30. 10, 10, 10. Addition of the values if you are repeating any number. Okay. About the repetition also there is some rules, means which symbol we have to repeat and which we have to not repeat. First, about this repetition, only I, X, C, M can be repeated. Means we can repeat only I, X, C and M. Okay. Only I, X, C, M. We can repeat only these 4 symbols. We will not repeat these symbols. Okay. We will use these symbols, but we will not use this in the repetition. Means we will never use like this VV. We will not use like this. Okay. It is wrong. Okay. So we will just repeat these 4 I, X and CM. We will repeat these 4 symbols. Okay. After that V, L and D are never repeated. Means we will not repeat V, L and D. Okay. So next rule is no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Means if we are repeating any number, which number we can repeat? We can repeat I, X, C and M. C and M. We can repeat these symbols, but we will not repeat these 4 symbols more than 3 times. Okay, means we will not write that symbols more than 3 times. Okay, so how? Only this symbol can be repeated. Means we can use like this I. Okay, we can use X. We can repeat C also like this C. What is this CC means? When we are repeating, that means adding. So CC means 200. Yes. And next we can repeat M also. If I am using M, but not more than 3 times. Okay, not more than 3 times. So here, what is this? This means 1000, 3000. Okay. Next rule, we will not repeat this. So we will not repeat this means we will not use these symbols more than 1. Okay. No symbols can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, I told you, not more than 3 times. After that, next rule about the subtraction. Okay. Smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral. if any smaller numeral means from this is written to the left hand side of a larger numeral means subtraction. So here like we are using ix, so this I is small, this is 1, x is 10, so this means subtraction. So we will subtract 10 minus 1, that means 9. Okay, so VLD never subtracted means the symbols that are, we will not never repeat, we will also not subtract that, means we will not use that symbols on the left hand side. Okay, another is I can be subtracted. This I can be subtracted only from V and X, means this I can be subtracted, we can use this I on the left hand side only of these two symbols, with V and with X. Okay, we will not use IL, IC, ID and IM, we will not use. Okay, next symbol we will not use this on the left hand side. Next is X we can use on the left hand side of L and C only. Here is X can be subtracted from L and C only, means this X can be subtracted only from these two symbols, not from any one. Okay, next we will not repeat this, we will not use this left hand side. Next number is C, we can use that, we can repeat that, we can use that on the left hand side. So C can be subtracted, or C we can use on the left hand side of only D and M. Last rule is C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, I hope you understand all the rules. Okay, first we have to learn these values. After that we must know this repetition means addition of the value, and we are just repeating here 4 symbols I, X, C and M. Okay, remaining 3 V, L and D. V, L and D we will not repeat that symbols. Okay, we will not repeat that symbols, we will not use that symbols on the left hand side in the subtraction also. Okay, these can be repeated, and we will not repeat any number more than 3 times. 3 से ज़्यादा बार use नहीं करना है. Okay, after that in the subtraction first rule is this: I can be subtracted from these two, X can be subtracted from these two, C can be subtracted from these two. Okay, now we will start our exercise. Okay, so let's start our exercise. Question number 1: express each of the following as a Roman numerals. Means we have to make the Roman numerals. Question number 1, part 1, that is 2. Okay, part 2, fourth is 29, part 7 is 54, 10th is 81, 12th is 95, and this is your 15, that is 114. Okay, 114. So we have to form here Roman numerals. So we know that I, V, X, L, C, D, M. We will use only these symbols, and we will not repeat this, we will not repeat L, we will not repeat D. We can repeat I, X, C, M. Yes? Okay. So first we have to write 2. 2 means 2. How? I. Yes, we can repeat I. So 2. Next is 29. 29 means 20 plus 9. So what is our 20? What is our 20? X plus 9. What is our 9? 9 is this. So this is our 29. Okay. Now this is our 54. 54 means 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4. So what is our 50? 50 is our L. 50 is our L. Plus 4. 4 is 5 minus 1. That means this. So this is our 54. Next is 81. What is our 81? 81, we can say 50 plus 30 plus 1. So what is our 50? 50 is L, 30 is X, X, X. We can repeat 3 times but not more than 3 times. Okay. So 3 times X, this is 80 and 1 means I. So this is our 81. Here is 95. 95. 95 means 95, you can say 90 plus 5. You can say 90 plus 5. Why we are not using here 100 minus 5? 100 minus 5. What is our 100? Our 100 is C. Our 100 is C. 100 minus 5. अगर आप 100 minus 5 you will use. So 5 means V. And we cannot use V to the left hand side. Yes. So that's why we will not use here 100 minus 5. We will use here 90 plus 5. That is our 95. So what is our 90? First 90. 90 is 100. 100 minus 10. 90 is 100 minus 10. What is our 100? Our 100 is C. 10. 10 is X. So 90 means XC. We can use X on the left hand side. Yes. And we can repeat this X. Yes. So this is our 90 plus 5 means V. So what is XCV? This is our 95. This is our 95. What is left here? 114. 100 plus 10 plus 4. 104 means 100 plus 10 plus 4. What is 100? 100 is our C. C. 10 means X and 4 means IV. IV. So this is our 114. Now question number 2. Express, that is also the same, statement is also same, but numbers are different there. Okay. Numbers are 164. First part is question number 2. First part 164. Then I have taken third part, that is 2, 2, 6. Next is 5, 9, 6. Sorry, this is your sixth part. 5, 9, 6. And now eighth part 7, 5, 9. Okay. These I have taken these 4 parts from question number 2. 164. 164 means 100 plus 50 plus 14. Yes. This means 100 plus 50 plus 14. That will be 164. So now write the values. What is 100? 100 is C. 50 means L. 50 means L. And 14. 14 means X, 10, and 14 is IV. So this is our 164. I hope you understand. 164, 100 plus 50 plus 14. So 100 is C, 50 is L, and 14 means 14. Simply we write this 14. Yes. Now 226. So 226 means 100 plus 100 and plus 26 means 20 plus 6. So what is 100? 100. That is C. 20 means X, and this means VI. Okay, let's check. We can repeat C. Yes, we can repeat C. We can repeat X. Good. Okay. Now we have to write 596. 500. We are having one digit for the 500. What is that? D. D means 500. So here 500 plus 90 plus 6. What is 500? 500 is our D. And 90 is XC. 90 is XC. C means 100 minus 10. What is 6? 6 is VI. 6 is VI. Okay. Now this is a 759. 759. So how we will write? 500 plus 200 plus 59. What is that? 500? 500 we have written here also D. D, okay, plus 200. 200 means 100. That is C. Okay. Plus 59. 59 means 50 plus 9. What is our 50? 50 is our L. Okay. So L, and what is our 9? IX. So this is our 759. Okay. Question number 3. Write each of the following as a Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay. So what I have taken here? I have taken first part, that is double X VII. Then fourth part, that is LIV. Then I think seventh part XCVI. Next is 10th part, that is CCXXIV. Next is, this is our 14th part, that is DVI. Okay, we have to write Hindu Arabic numeral for this. Okay, so start from this. X means 20, 25, 26 and 27. So this is our 27. Okay. Here L means LCDM. L means 50, and this is 4. So this is our 54. Okay. Now XC combine is 90, and this is 6. So this is our 96. This is our 96. Now CC means 224. So this is 224. This is our 4. Okay. Next DVI. LCDM. D is 500. D is 500 here. Okay. So this is 500 plus 6. So 506. 506. Now question number 4. Show that each of the following is meaningless. Give reason. I have taken 2 parts. 4 are given there. First is VC, and the third one is VVII. What is wrong here? What is wrong here? Let's check this. V means 5. This means C means 100. Yes. So that means this is 95. But we know that we will never repeat V. We will never repeat V, L and D. We will never repeat, and we will never use these symbols on the left hand side. Okay. So this is used on the left hand side. That's why this is wrong. So what will be the reason here? What will be the reason here? We can't use. We will write this reason V, L and D. V, L and D on the left hand side. On the left hand side of a larger number. Of a larger number. So that's why this is wrong. That's why this is wrong. Here V. This is also rule. We cannot repeat the V. Yes. So here we will write we never repeat V. Okay. We never repeat V. हम उसको कभी repeat नहीं करेंगे. That's why this is also wrong. So now what you have to do? After this one H also given. That is only MCQs. So you have to do that by your own. And after that one test paper is also given. You will also try to solve that paper in the next week. In the next week on Friday. there will be a test of this complete chapter. Okay, so please do preparation for that. Okay, thank you.